As part of the Ek Bharat, Sreshta Bharat or Unified India is a Great India program of the Modi government, the Meghalaya state Bharatiya Janata Party had organized the Goa Diwas. This particular program aims to enhance and strengthen the bond and understanding between citizens so that the same can resonate in the entire country. Present during the event were Goa Minister Nilesh Kabral, the National Secretary of the BJP, and also Northeast in charge of the Ek Bharat Shreshta Bharat program, Sunil Diodhar, the Meghalaya State BJP President Ernest Maury, the convener of Ek Bharat Shreshta Bharat program, Meghalaya unit, party workers, supporters, and others. While addressing the gathering, Nilesh Kabra offered due credit to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, whereby his decisive economic policies have enabled the progress of the entire country, its economy, and its people.
Country, we have to prosper. And when the country prospers, the people prosper. And as Sunil C has said, that when we want to prosper as the entire country together, we are here today celebrating the Goa and the Meghalaya Day in the state of Meghalaya. It gives me immense pleasure to be amongst all of you because it's not easy to celebrate some other statehood day in another state. And for that, I am thankful to the organizers of this event and especially the concept brought in by Sunil Dorji and Honorable Prime Minister in making every state owning as a nationalist, as a country by itself. Well, to take this forward, I being a cabinet minister in the government of Goa, we have a lot of people from North Indian state, my own state. I don't know if how many are from this state, because we don't measure them. But we have a lot of North Eastern population of this particular beautiful state. We call them sisters and one brother. Together they are part of Goa. And I meet them very often. We share our thoughts. And I'm very happy to be part of the today's Ek Bharat, where we all have come here assembled to hear a few words from me from the basically from our state. Well, we were the last state in this country. We were a union territory in 1961, getting liberated from the Portuguese regime. See, most of the country got liberated from British region. We got from the Portuguese. That happened in 1961. 1947 was the entire country getting decolonized. And 1961 was the state of Goa. We inherited a lot of things within our system, and we have continued, like the Uniform Civil Code, which everyone thinks of, talks of. You know, what is Uniform Civil Code? Basically giving rights. You have given the other way around. You go everywhere in the country, normally once a couple gets married, the girl goes to the men's house. Here is the other way around. The boy goes to the girl's house. But here, there in Uniform Civil Code, it is very simple. What is Uniform Civil Code? It is once a person gets married, whatever property the person has, it is equally shared between the husband and wife, 50-50%. Or the wife's property which comes, it is shared between husband and wife. No signatory can be done without, if you want to sell, if I think that I own my property, if I want to sell, I will take my wife's signature. This is very important. And that is why Uniform Civil Code has been part of the new thing where Honorable Prime Minister also speaks about. And there are many advantages to the Uniform Civil Code. I come from this state and I am here today amongst you all. And as part of a cabinet minister for the second term, third term MLA from the state of Goa, and where we all say that how Meghalaya has got almost 76% of Christians. Goa also has a number of, not 70%, but a lot of Christian brothers and sisters in my own state. I come from a Christian background. I am a Roman Catholic by myself, and I am third time BJP MLA from my state. And I was thinking just before coming, because what happened was I was told that it will take 3 hours. Fortunately, we reached in 2 hours today from Guwahati to here. And I could share my moments with a lot of office bearers of your state here. And I'm sure that when we talk about what is Ek Bharat, Shreshta Bharat, I think the idea behind this is to take our country into one direction. In this part of our country, to see that our country becomes the number one country in this world. This is the focus. Whatever religion, whatever caste we come from, it is ultimately the leadership qualities of our nation. I remember, I tell people, if we were not with the leadership at this time where this Ukraine and Russia war has happened, our economies today, we are still very much better. You can see, youngsters, I can see all of them who are very fluent with the Googling. You see the neighboring states today, you see the state of Pakistan, you see the state of Sri Lanka, you see the state of all the neighboring states. Where have they gone? It is because of decisive economic policies of the Prime Minister. It is because of decisive policies of the Honorable Prime Minister that today we can say that we are not hit by recession. We are still here where we can say to the world that we are growing as a nation, our economy is growing, and people are growing. So this is, I think, we all deserve to be under this great leader